Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Kucoin to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring Litecoin like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Gemini. Log into your Kucoin account and head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, locate your Litecoin balance. That's where the magic starts. Next, switch to your Gemini account. Go to the deposit page and select Litecoin. Gemini will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your coins into the void. Pro tip: always use the same network, like the Litecoin network, to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, back on Kucoin, navigate to the withdrawal section under your Litecoin wallet. Paste the Gemini deposit address into the address field. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation screen. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the funds to appear. If you're new to this, don't worry, most exchanges provide transaction trackers. A quick heads up: always verify fees and use reputable exchanges to minimize risks. In 2025, with advanced security features, this process is safer than ever, but stay vigilant against scams. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent Litecoin from Kucoin to Gemini. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy trading, and see you in the next one.